Hello kids, today we will learn daily use English sentence. Hi.
Who are they? They are my friends. Who is she? She is a doctor.
Hello.
Who is she? She is a nurse.
Hello.
What is that? It is a guitar. Who is that? He is an artist. Where is he? He is at home. Do you like banana? Yes, I do. Where is your book? It is on the table. What are you doing? I am teaching. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. What is your hobby? I like drawing. Is this your pen? Yes, it is. What is your favorite game? I like football. What color is your car? It is red. Is it raining? Yes, it is. How do you feel? I feel happy. What is your favorite subject? I like science. What is your favorite drink? I like orange juice. Do you speak English? Yes, I do. What is in your bag? I have books and pens. Are you tired? Yes, I am. Can you dance? Yes, I can. Is it cold outside? Yes, it is. What is your favorite season? I like summer. Are you a student? Yes, I am. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more video.